Hey guys, so we're going to be doing the single arm dumbbell row. You're going to want to grab a dumbbell you can do with good form. You're going to want to find a bench. If you're doing your right arm first, you're going to want to put your left leg on. Your right foot's going to go down as a base. Left hand right here. Okay, first thing you want to do, keeping your body straight, you're going to want to go up. Think about getting those elbows behind your back, but without twisting your body, just like that. Okay, down and up. 1, 2, 3, and up. Biggest thing here, guys, do not twist your body. You don't want to do this. Okay, that's what you don't want to do. Keep your body nice and tight. Just focus on getting those elbows behind you. 1, 2, 3. Real quick on the left side. Left arm's working, right arm down, left leg base. Same thing. Up. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. That's a single arm dumbbell row.